Sonia's not here.
We can call this meeting to order. It's 9 o'clock. We're going to make a determination that there's a quorum. Commissioner Wardlaw, Commissioner Vasquez, Commissioner Nettleton, Commissioner Flores, and myself present. Folks, I'm going to ask for a moment of silence. Miss Elaine Wardlaw's mom passed away. We had our librarian this Monday pass away, and then Pat Hernandez's mom passed away. So if we just a moment of silence, please. Thank you. Commissioner Wardlaw, if you'll lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance, please.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Approval of minutes from previous meetings? Do we have some? Yes.
Motion to approve.
A motion, Commissioner Nettleton. Sorry about that.
That's I've been called.
I was thinking that too. What was I going to say? I need a second. Second, Commissioner Vasquez. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Citizens' comments, I had none.
Let me change that.
What?
Let me change that.
We're good. Discussion, item number 6, discussion possible action on approving a resolution and payment for Ports to Plains project. This is our annual
Motion to
bill.
approve.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton.
Second.
Second, Commissioner Flores. Any discussion? Those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Item number 7, discussion possible action signing a resolution proclaiming April as Child Abuse Prevention Awareness Month.
So moved.
A motion, Commissioner Nettleton.
Second.
Second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor? Aye. 5-0 vote. Item number 8, discussion and possible action on approving a resolution of support for funding to construct and operate a 45-bed inpatient psychiatric facility for adults and youth in Uvalde. The proclamation, they're working on it, but I'd like
I'll make a motion. I think this would be a great thing for us.
have a motion by Commissioner Nettleton, second by Commissioner Vasquez. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote.
Is this grant funding or is it a state?
Well, it's a state, as a matter of fact, Senator Flores sits on the appropriations, and that's what it's going through right now.
Great.
Discussion and possible action to award $2,500 to the San Felipe Del Rio Consolidated Independent School District for sponsorship for the Regional Robotics Tournament held in Del Rio, March 22nd, 24th, 2019, payable by hot funds.
Motion to approve. Second.
I have a motion, Commissioner Flores, second by Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor?
That was an amazing thing.
5-0 vote. It was unbelievable. They had, what, 43 teams? Item number 10, discussion possible action on ratifying the contract between Quad Counties and Val Verde County. It's on a month-to-month for the $15,000.
So moved. Second.
A motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote.
Do you have the executed contract for the minutes?
Yes, we have it in the office.
Okay. So Jamie can put it in the minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Item 11, discussion possible action on paying $15,000 to Quad County for operating the battered woman shelter.
Move. Second.
Motion, Commissioner Flores, second, Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Item number 12, discussion and possible action regarding scheduling required public hearing for proposed 2019 Texas CDBG Fast Fund Grant application for fire truck and published notice for same, English and Spanish. Proposed public hearing date is April 15th, 2019 at 5:15, Val Verde County Fire and Rescue Department, 1690 Senegas Road, Del Rio, Texas.
Move. Second.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Discussion possible action on pay scale for Val Verde County.
I'll make a motion to table it till the next meeting.
Okay.
Second.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Discussion possible action for the use of county stage by Brown Plaza Association for Cinco de Mayo event at Brown Plaza.
As of now.
Have a motion, Commissioner
Second.
Wardlaw, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Discussion possible action to approve draw number 6 under SHC contract number 7217013 in the amount of $23,351.21 and authorize county judge and county auditor to sign.
Move.
Second.
A motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Item number 16, under Commissioner Wardlaw, discussion possible action of appointment of Justice of the Peace Precinct 1.
I make the motion, we table this, Judge.
Second.
I have a motion, Commissioner Wardlaw, second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Discussion possible action on setting fee for team roping, barrel racing, and other small events for day and night time hours.
Judge, I make a motion, we defer this to the Fairgrounds Committee.
Okay?
Their
Second.
recommendation.
Okay.
And accept their recommendations.
Can we just refer it to them and then bring it back? That way
All
it's
right.
for a vote.
That's
if you don't
fine.
mind. Commissioner Wardlaw, I had a motion. Commissioner Nettleton, second. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Discussion possible action on approval for Fairgrounds to purchase a water truck in the amount of $10,000, a skid steer for $10,000, precinct 2.
Motion to approve and take it out of contingency. There's no other place to get the money.
No, yeah. I was just gonna say if we waited maybe for a couple months and see how we're doing in contingency. We're down to 80-some-odd thousand.
That's right.
Would that work?
Yes, that will be, anyway.
As long as we can get the equipment, I mean, we.
Yeah,
need-
no,
Yeah, you
they
can have-
they can have
Okay,
it.
well, that's fine. Then we'll.
Your motion is to,
Move
it over and wait.
Move it over and wait for.
Second.
all right. I have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Wardlaw. All those in favor?
All right.
5-0 vote. Oh, one.
One. I don't think we can do that on one.
Discussion and possible action on a lease for use of Arteaga Park for July 5th through 7th, 2019 to Arteaga family and setting a fee if necessary.
This family from the Vidio historic family, and they used to own all that property. And they're families from all over the United States, and they're coming back July the 5th for a reunion, and they would like to be on the park, which is their old family property. And
Is that a motion to further?
I make a motion that they be permitted to reserve this exclusively for them without a fee.
Second.
Have a motion from Commissioner Wardlaw, second Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor?
All right.
5-0 vote. Real quick. Commissioner, they wanted to spend the night or no?
Yes.
Okay, so they can spend the night.
And so
That's part of your motion.
For the weekend.
Yes, second.
Mhm.
All right, 5-0 vote. Gustavo Flores, discussion possible action upon lending a fuel tank to Valverde County Precinct 4 for storage of donated fuel from Pumpco, approximately 12,000 gallons.
Yes, Judge, I'm letting a fuel tank to Valverde County Precinct 4 to be able to accept a fuel donation. The tank capacity is 5,000 gallons.
Okay.
Well, do we need to take action on this?
Yeah, make a motion.
Okay, yeah, that's a strong motion.
Have a motion, Commissioner Flores, second Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor?
All right.
5-0 vote. Just clean. Mr. Perez, Sergio Perez, Fairgrounds Facility Manager. Item 21, discussion possible action on the lease agreement between Valverde County and Valdo Martinez for a roping benefit on May 11th, 2019 at the Valverde County Fairgrounds.
Move.
Second.
I have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, seconded.
I second it.
Did you second? I'm sorry, didn't hear you. Second by Commissioner Flores. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Mr. Perez, Fairgrounds Manager report.
Morning, Commissioner,
Morning.
Judge. Just reporting again, I think what I'm gonna do next time is report once a month. I think every 2 weeks is very little progress. But anyways, we started the repairs on the bleachers. Arkwright's already ordered material and, starting to build them. They said by Friday we should have, most of them done. So it shouldn't take us more than a week to put them all together and be ready to go. I have a question though on the women's shelter and the animal shelter. I know everybody wants to move forward with both, but, according to our staff, we're very limited to what we can do. wanted to see if we could decide today, we'll move forward with the women's shelter or the animal shelter.
I think you need to complete the women's shelter before we tackle another
I
project.
agree.
Mr. Pettis, and that's not an animal shelter, it's an animal control facility.
Or animal control.
Yes, sir.
facility, I'm sorry.
I would like to see the women's shelter finished before we start something else. I don't know how much more we lack on it, but
There's hardly anything left, I mean, but it does need to be finished. Can you put that in form of motion? and move
I'll
on?
make a motion that we finish the women's shelter and then start on the animal control.
Second.
I have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Wardlaw. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Did you have anything else? That was it?
Mr.
Thank you,
Pettis,
sir.
You talk about the bleachers and the damage that was done to the, what can we do to prevent that from happening again? And what that was, explain what it was, what happened.
From what we believe, and again, this is just from what we believe, there's really nothing we can fall back and say it's a concrete answer, but, it seems to us like somebody backed up into them. They bent the legs all up and everything, so I have been getting with the sheriff. We had kids out there, Friday afternoon, they were doing donuts, and so I called the sheriff's department. They sent some deputies out there and took care of that problem. I think, if they can continue making the rounds out there and make a presence, I think that'll
Help.
have a positive impact too.
We have no cameras out there, do we?
No, that's one thing I really do want to work, but, to get done, but I don't have the funds.
No, but if we can come up with a plan that we can start looking at trying to fund, if you can get with Ram, he's doing cameras
Ram had
everywhere.
already looked at putting cameras out there, so you'll have a
Get
plan
a
already.
number together and then you can
Yeah,
bring
he
it
was,
back.
he was also talking about, we're gonna have that internet deal out there.
Mhm.
It'll help, installing cameras and keeping an eye out on everything that happens out there.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
I got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Mr. Mouskis, item 23, discussion possible action regarding update on Family Violence Center.
Well, women's shelter being first, animal control being second, makes me happy. I may have some more fruitful information, but, where we stand today is the fence is just about complete. They should be done next week. They've already put all the piping in, and they need to come back and put the cedar boards on it. But that'll be done.
But the chain link is done.
The chain link in the back is already completed, but the privacy fence is what they're working on now, towards the front and the side. Followed by the paving of the parking lot. They've got all the base down, they've got it, I think they picked up the oil truck yesterday, and they were gonna pour some oil.
Can you give a report on Commissioner Vasquez's performance out there?
It's been impeccable. No, they've done a great job. They've done a great job. They got the culvert in there, and they've got everything to where, now we're gonna pour some asphalt, and looks like we might finally get rain, and of course, it always rains at the wrong time, but we'll take it anyway. We'll take it anyway. I'm gonna use our crew to start doing the painting, and we're just gonna do the touch-ups on the outside, and then go inside and do a thorough cleaning. We've got blinds on order and vent hoods and all the small stuff, so we're continuing to work on that. It's getting closer, but as you start working on the small stuff, you find this and you find that, and, but we'll continue to push forward.
That's it? We can go on?
We can go on now.
Item 24, discuss possible action regarding a request for Fairgrounds and Building Maintenance Department to purchase Bobcat. I'm going to table these.
All of those were associated with those projects, yes.
Okay.
We just,
Leave it alone, no
we just
action needed.
omit those.
Okay. Item 25, also discuss possible action regarding a request from Fairgrounds and Building Maintenance Department to purchase a water truck. We'll just go ahead and wait on that one also. Item 26, discussion possible action on expenditure of the courthouse security fund for the purchase of a video monitoring system.
The courthouse security committee has been meeting frequently, and they were all in agreement on Friday to go forward with the cameras and the cabling and everything that we've
How
been
much?
discussing. $92,316.94.
They have that much money
Yes.
in courthouse security,
Mhm.
and then they're pretty much done.
Oh, I still got a
Getting close.
good chunk of change. And it's just not for there, though.
No, this is 28 cameras that are gonna go around these 3 buildings that don't have any security in them. Some door, strikes, I call them door strikes, would be the swipes with the cards. All the displays, monitors for, the bailiffs in the 3 courthouses. Of course, the structured cabling for all of that, and, some fiber and fiber components for at operation locations as well.
And I'm all for security, but I don't want this thing to become City Hall where you have to have an escort to walk around those buildings.
And this won't do that.
So I just want to make sure we don't get to that point. You know, these are public buildings and people need to be, I understand
Sure,
there's certain
sure, yeah.
areas,
Yeah.
but, you know, I don't want it to get to where you gotta have an escort to walk everywhere you go. Just,
I need a motion.
I'll make a motion.
A motion, Commissioner Nettleton, seconded by? Second, Commissioner Vasquez. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote.
Judge Owens, Mrs. Fuentes had a question.
Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't see it.
But I didn't hear a time frame for the women's shelter.
There's not a time frame for it. They are working on it. He said right now about
How
the
else can we hold a court accountable? I know that it remains 10 days solid for reasonable people, but
Well-
más o menos.
I guess you probably don't wanna open it up if you don't have internet to connect your security.
Okay.
Time Warner Spectrum is like having to build the line from Hamilton Lane to the location, and they gave me a 4 to 6 week timeline.
Okay.
And hopefully, we can get everything else done in that period of time to where, when we get it there, we can connect it and yeah.
All right, thank you.
That'll be a time frame. That's fine, because you can hold us accountable.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Thank you. Joanne, Montemayor, discussion on possible action for approval for property renewal insurance coverage. Judge decide.
2019-2020 property renewal coverage. I just need your signature to send it in.
Did we get all the additional stuff on there that we needed on there?
We
Yes.
added everything. We did not get a rock solid price, but we'll go over that with you. We'll get into that to make sure what is it you want to cover.
The spreadsheet on that.
Okay.
And it was just a couple $1,000 more to cover everything.
Motion to approve. Authorize the judge to sign.
Thank you.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton.
Second.
Second, Commissioner Flores. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Mr. Bagley, item 28, discussion possible action to adopt the resolution for the 2019-2020 fiscal year Border Prosecution Unit grant and retroactive from March 20th, 2019.
Motion.
Second.
Have a motion, Commissioner Wardlaw, second, Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Item 29, discussion possible action regarding the approval for 2 Border Prosecution Unit employees to receive compensation for travel if attending the same training seminar. Approval is requested for all DPU budgeted travel.
What are they asking for?
We're good with that. We're just asking that if 2 individuals travel to the same seminar, that they both need paid mileage.
No.
That's what we're.
Together in the same car or separate?
Separate.
They're going separately. Oh,
Separate, that's
All right.
together.
Motion to approve.
That's pretty cool, Commissioner Flores. Jumped right on that one. Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, seconded by?
Somebody got a second.
I think, yes.
Second, Commissioner Vasquez. All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. All right? Okay. All right. Item 30, discussion possible action authorizing Sheriff Joe Frank Martinez to apply for and accept the 2019 Operation Stone Garden grant to include the resolution.
So moved.
Second.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second, Commissioner Flores. Any discussion? All those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Item 31, discussion possible action authorizing Sheriff Joe Frank Martinez to purchase 2 Dell computers to be taken out of the communications line item.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Motion Commissioner Flores, second Commissioner Nettleton. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Item 32, monthly treasurer's report.
No action necessary, only formality.
Item 33, discussion on possible action regarding a resolution amending participation in text pool and authorizing the county judge and county clerk to sign said resolution.
The amendment is only to add, Mr. Weingart, Commissioner Nettleton, and Commissioner Owens to be able to view the, text pool accounts that we have.
So moved.
We have to do a resolution for every single amendment.
I have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second Commissioner Wardlaw. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Juanita Barrera, item 34, discussion possible action on authorizing to have Catapult Health on site and authorize the judge to sign agreement.
You got to catapult them in
Hello.
Okay, we're catapulting you out of here.
Good morning, Judge and Commissioners. Catapult Health is part of our TAC, Blue Cross Blue Shield, wonderful benefits that we have available for our employees. What they do is nurse practitioners that come on site through Blue Cross and will provide blood sticks to our employees, whoever wants to participate, give you an evaluation of your preventive health for high blood pressure, diabetes, and such. This is no cost to the employees because it is part of preventive health on our Blue Cross. So it'll go well with our employee incentive on our annual physicals because they will be accepted as such. And right now we've only got 25 employees that have completed that. So I think it's a wonderful thing that we would be doing. We would probably be using the library because they've got that big conference room, and then they need 2 offices where they'll talk to the individuals separately from anybody else.
Motion to approve.
Awesome.
Have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, and a second by Commissioner Vasquez. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Item 35, discussion possible action to approve the HR monthly report from March 20th, 2019 through April 3rd, 2019.
Everything in here in compliance?
Yes, sir.
Motion to approve.
I have a motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second Commissioner Flores. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Matthew, item 36, monthly county auditor's report.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
Commissioners. Were there any questions on the expensive report that was given?
Maybe if you look at it. How are we doing overall? Good?
Overall, you are in.
Are we in line as far
You are
as this
in-
time of year, percentages of expenditures? A little high, a little low?
That's going to fluctuate,
I'm
because we spent contingency early this year, so.
not talking about contingency. I'm talking about-
Correct. Other than that, we're in line with the past budget.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Why do you feel he's keeping Motion to approve.
Motion, Commissioner Nettleton, seconded by Commissioner Flores. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Discussion possible action on a budget adjustment of $1,585.94 out of juris fees and capital outlay for the purchase of computers for 83rd District Court.
This was my mistake, Judge. That should not say juror fees. That should say our capital outlay expense. We are on savings on the computers there. This computer is scheduled to be replaced next year. However, we're not sure if it's going to make it till next year, so this is going to reduce next year's computer replacement program. And since we had the savings in capital outlay, we're just going to go ahead and purchase it now.
Motion to approve.
Motion, Commissioner Nettleton, seconded by second Commissioner Flores. All those in favor? 5-0 vote. Honor McCoskey Smith, executive session items. Item 38, Honor McCoskey Smith, attorney requesting executive session pursuant to Texas Government Code 551.071, parentheses 1, consultation regarding contemplated litigation and possible action in open session thereafter. Item 39, Honor McCoskey Smith, county attorney requesting executive session pursuant to Texas Government Code 551.071, parentheses 2, consultation, which is governed by the attorney-client privilege and possible action in open session thereafter. Item 40, Honor Murkowski Smith. This is a long one, right? County Attorney requesting executive session pursuant to Texas Government Code 551.072, consultation to deliberate the purchase, exchange, lease, value of real property if deliberation in open meeting would have detrimental effect on the position of the governmental body in negotiations with a third person. She does that on purpose. Jesus Christ. It's 9:25. We're going to executive session.
We don't have a lease and start reading them for you.
We are back in open court. It's 10:03. Nothing was done. Item 41, approve subdivision plats.
This is a replat in Falcon Terrace subdivision. It's a replat establishing Lot A, Block B. It was 2 separate lots, now it's one.
Joanne,
Yes.
does this comply with the Texas model subdivision rules?
Yes, everything.
I will make a motion to approve the plat, and Commissioner Vazquez will abstain from voting since he's got an interest on this property.
Whether you want to do it. Commissioner
that part of
Flores,
your
second.
motion?
Commissioner Middleton, all in favor?
Aye.
4-0 vote, and 1 abstention.
Thank you.
Thank you. Approve certificates of compliance.
There's none, sir.
Ma'am,
There is none.
how many?
None.
There is none. Approve monthly reports from elected officials. Motion, Commissioner Nettleton, second. Second, Commissioner Flores, all those in favor?
Aye.
5-0 vote. Approve bills for payment.
Move. Second.
Motion, Commissioner Flores, second, Commissioner Nettleton, all those in favor? 5-0 vote. Commissioners' comments?
We had the House hearing yesterday on HB 3099. It was a good hearing. It was left pending in committee for now and probably be voted out of committee later, next week.
Is that the water bill?
That's the one on the Water Development Board coming in and studying, the river flows and the spring flows for San Felipe, Devils River, and the Pecos River.
Any other comments, Commissioners? No? No? County Judge's comments, just to thank Commissioner Nettleton, very well represented yesterday in Austin. Meeting's adjourned. Thank y'all.
Thank you.